Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can install the add-ons in FreeCAD. And we know that we can easily install the add-on by going to the tool and then add-on manager, and we search for our add-on and we directly install it. But this method only works when you have internet connections. What if you are using a system where you do not have internet connectivity? It might be the case that you are traveling and you do not have the internet connectivity and you want to work on projects. So for this we will learn how we can install the FreeCAD add-ons in offline methods. So first I would recommend you to visit GitHub page github.com/freecad/freecad add-ons. You can simply search for the FreeCAD add-on in a browser and you will get the first link of the FreeCAD add-on. So I recommend you must download all your essentials add-ons like assembly A2 plus, assembly 4, assembly 3, and depends upon your work. You must install all this add-on in a hard drive and you can carry it, and with the help of this add-on install on your hard drive you can install it in FreeCAD. So we will learn basically the offline method of add-on installation in FreeCAD. So for this I will show you the live example. So here I have installed so many add-ons. So here I will install this fasteners workbench. So for this I will go to the tool and then add-on manager, and I will search for the fasteners. So this is the fasteners workbench. I will click on it and I will click on install button and I will install it. So you can see that finish removing the fasteners workbench. Click on OK and close it. Now go to the drop down. So still you are seeing this fasteners workbench because we have not restart our FreeCAD. So now you can see that here is a fasteners workbench. Now I will close my FreeCAD and again launch my FreeCAD, and let's see that whether it is completely installed or not. So now we will drop down it. Now you can see that we do not have the fasteners workbench. Now we will go to the GitHub page and search for the fasteners workbench. So press the Control F. So here is the fasteners. Now click on it and we will download our fasteners workbench as a zip file. So it is downloaded. Now I will disable my internet connections. So here I am going to disable my Ethernet. So now I am no more connected to the internet. Now I will install the add-ons. So first thing we have to understand that when we install any add-ons by going to the tool and then add-on manager, so you can see that I do not have internet connections, but where this add-on get stored, So if you are using the Windows operating system, then your add-ons get stored at app data. Just type the percentage and then app, then data, and again percentage and press enter. So you will get the path. So here on your user and app data and roaming. So once you type this app data percentage, app data percentage, so you will get this folder, and here you will get a FreeCAD folder. Double click on it. So here when we install any add-on with the help of internet connections, it gets stored here. So here in a mod folder our workbenches get installed. And now if you do not have this mod folder, then create it. And now we will go to our download folder and copy our fasteners workbench and open our folder again. And we will go to the FreeCAD and then it mod folder, and we will paste our fasteners workbench. So here our fasteners workbench, and now I will extract my zip file and I will delete this original one. So now if I open my file, then I see one more folder inside it, and inside it we have the our fasteners workbench code. So I will open it and I will copy this folder and paste it to the main directory. And now I will rename my folder. I will remove everything and I will just keep fasteners workbench. Okay. Now we have pasted our fasteners workbench folder. Now we will go to the FreeCAD, and here we are not seeing the fasteners workbench because we have to restart our FreeCAD, so that FreeCAD will recall the our fasteners workbench is installed on a app data. So I will close it, and again I launch the FreeCAD. Now I create a new file, and here now I will see whether my fasteners workbench is installed or not. So you can see that fasteners workbench is installed. So if I click on it, yes, it is very perfectly installed. Now if you are facing any issue, then go to the view and then panels and on the Python console. And here on a Python console, if you are facing any issue, if you are not using the Windows operating system, then you have to run a Python command, which I will show you on the screen. So in the case if you are using Linux or Mac OS, then run this command on a Python console. But I am not going to run this command because in Windows FreeCAD applications use the app data folders. So basically what this Python command is going to do, it will force FreeCAD to use the user app data wherever it is stored on your system. So this is how we can install the add-ons in FreeCAD without internet connections. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.